In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix customer not receiving download link on Gumroad in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. If a customer paid successfully but did not receive the download link, this can create frustration and support issues quickly. Usually, this problem happens because of spam filters, incorrect email addresses, or missing product files. Now, if you want to fix customer not receiving download link on Gumroad, here's what to do. Start by asking the customer to check their spam, junk, or promotions folder in their email inbox. Most download links are delivered through email, so sometimes the message is filtered automatically by Gmail or Outlook. Next, log into your Gumroad account and go to the sales section. After that, find the customer's order and verify the email address used during checkout. If the customer used a different email address, they may not see the product inside their library or inbox. Then, resend the receipt from the transaction details page. This will send the download link again to the customer's email address. Now, check your product settings and confirm the product file is still attached correctly. If the file was accidentally removed or the product is unpublished, the download link may not appear after purchase. After that, confirm the product is published and accessible properly. Then, if the email still does not arrive, you can manually send the customer a secure backup download link to provide temporary access. Usually, this issue happens because of spam filtering, incorrect customer emails, or missing product files. Carefully checking these settings normally fixes the problem quickly. That's it. By verifying the customer email and checking your Gumroad product settings properly, you can fix download link issues and help customers access their purchases successfully.